Oh, you look amazing. So this is big.
And I know it's the right time. Can't envision nothing else. I need you right now. Need you when I feel down.
Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So I feel like it's been a while since I've actually sat down here and filmed. I feel like it's been a hot minute. If you guys went over on my Life of Maddie channel, you've seen something that I have announced that's pretty big in my life. If you haven't, go check it out or follow me on Instagram at Madison Miller. But basically, we're just working on a ton of things behind the scenes right now. Something that I've been really working on is the podcast, which a lot of you like literally everyone is so excited about. I'm so pumped for it. Working a ton on that, and then another project as well. So that's what's kept me kind of like busy behind the scenes. But I'm ready I just miss sitting in front of the camera and unboxing makeup. And I actually was just sitting here too. I was like, oh my God, I need some new lip liners. So I need to go hunting for some new lip liners. So if you guys have any recommendations on really pretty like nude or pink shades, leave them down below. I'll pick them up. I also want to do a makeup haul and stuff from Sephora because I see everyone using this really pretty cream bronzer, and it's from, I think it was Rare Beauty, and it looks gorgeous. So I want to pick that up. So if you guys have any makeup recommendations, comment them down below. I will pick them up. We'll do a Sephora haul. It's been a hot minute. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into what our Saturday videos are, and that is PR unboxings, where I get to show you guys the new launches of beauty. So basically it's like hair care, skincare, makeup, all that fun stuff. Give it a thumbs up. Always comment down below what you are most excited about. I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, let's go ahead and get on into it. If you're curious of what I'm wearing right now on my lips, this is the I Love Sarah E and ColourPop collaboration. This is from a while ago, and it's in the shade Curve 2 and Bare Minerals Grace. I love these lipsticks. They are like my second favorite to the Becca, which are sadly discontinued right now. But I love the Bare Minerals. They're very comfortable, not drying, and they just glide. But this package that we have, oh my God, I'm so excited. We've got one from Sigma Beauty here. This is highlighters, blushes, and matte bronzers. So this is big. Here's the package. Let's bust in. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So we've got their beautiful highlight. This is their high cheekbone highlighter brush, the F03. And then we've got a number of products here. So we've got, ooh, this is pretty. This one is called Moonbeam. Ooh, this is Sunstone right there. That would actually look really pretty. Like if I'm like tan right now, I could put it on the décolletage. How do you pronounce that? Probably totally butcher that. Then we got, oh, this is beautiful. Look at Sizzle. That's a really beautiful champagne. I'll swatch some of them for you guys. We have Golden Hour. They hit like every like shade here. This is beautiful. This one's more of a gold, and this is Savannah. Oh my gosh. And I feel like these are very versatile through different skin tones too. And then we got our more pinker one, and this is Twilight. So I'm gonna go into, oh my goodness. Okay, let's see here. This is hard. This one right here is Sizzle. I think that one's really pretty. See that? And then this one right here, I'm also going to Moonbeam because I love a light shimmery highlight. I think it's so pretty. I think I'm gonna go Moonbeam, and we're gonna dust this on. I already got a little bit of a highlight right now. I don't wanna make it too crazy. Oh, you know what's nice? This brush actually puts it on nicely. Here, let me do this so I can actually see it, because I can see it in here in the mirror a lot more. And then down here, and then I love putting some right there. So that's really pretty. I like those two shades. And then we've got the blushes. You guys know I'm a blush like freak. I love blush. We've got their F10 powder blush brush right here. Okay, so this one I'm gonna save for someone else that has a darker skin tone than me. This is called Bronze Star. It's really pretty. And then we've got Nearly Wild, or no, here, let's get the ones that are out already. Oh my God, this one's beautiful. This is Sunset Kiss, really pretty. This is Berry Love. Ooh, I love this shade in the winter time. And then we've got this one right here, which is Nearly Wild, right there. And then we've got, ooh, this one's really pretty. This is called Cor de Rosa. Gorgeous, it's a great neutral. And then we've got Tiger Lily. Ooh, and this is it has a shimmer to it. That one's pretty. I'm gonna go to this one because I love a bright blush. This is Sunset Kiss. I already got blush on, but you know what? I'm gonna top it off. Oh, I think I placed this one a little low. A little. We'll blend it out. Like always at the end of doing my blush or any type of product on my cheeks, I always take a beauty sponge and I press it into the skin and it makes a very seamless application. That's my little trick. Okay, so we've got the darker bronzers now. So this is deep, I'll save that. And then we've got medium, which will work for me. And then we have, oh, this is a great one too. This is light. This one is dark right here. So we've got those. Those will actually be, for me, I could use them as a crease shade. I think that would actually be pretty in the crease for an eyeshadow look. Oh, here's the brush. The Ultimate Bronzer brush. So we're gonna, I feel like I went total reverse with doing my makeup because I should have done the bronzer, then I should have done the blush, then I should have done the highlight, but we're in complete reverse right now. Love that. This is a fun brush. I haven't used this type of brush for a bronzer before, so that would be nice. Very cool. So anyways, that is an awesome collection from Sigma. These are already available and you guys can pick them up on their website. The blushes are $35. The highlighters are $35 and the bronzers, they're all $35. So that is awesome. So definitely check those out. Thank you, Sigma, for sending them over. I just opened up this next package and I needed this so bad because I have not eaten today. They sent over sweet, like those like sour gummies, which are so good. These are from Lanolips. I love the packaging, so cute. We have the Jelly Balm, Soft, Shiny, Bouncy, Balmy. So these are some new balms from Lanolips. Oh, these are gonna be so great for summer. Oh, I love these. Okay, so natural watermelon seed extract and added fruity watermelon tint. You can get these at Ulta or lanolips.com. And these are the perfect mashup of our fan favorite. We've taken our best-selling 101 Fruities and added a transparent fruity tint for a super soft bouncy balm with our famous lanolin balm benefit. So this is definitely a really good one for the summertime. So it looks like this right here and it has that type of applicator. Just brush it on, it's just a balm. So that's great. I love it when they're like a tint like that. I think it's perfect for summer because it brings a little bit of color to your lips. Kind of looks like you just ate a popsicle. So I love that. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm so pumped. Okay, so we've got the Glow Deep Orgasm Lip Mask. Oh, look how fancy. Oh, you look amazing. Oh, I'm so pumped for that. That is going on my nightstand. We also have the Afterglow Lip Balm here in Orgasm, which I have had so many times before. I actually put it on this morning. I love these. They are awesome. And then we have their liquid blush, which so going in, I'm using this tomorrow because I'm obsessed with liquid and cream blushes. And here, let me just show you the color of this, you guys. It's so pretty. Such a beautiful shade, and you can just see it blends beautifully into the skin. It's not sticky, does not get sticky, and it just sets so nicely. It's a great product for that, like the hot summertime, especially like when you just want to do like, go in there with a little bit of concealer, put on a little bit of blush, and you're just good to go. I love that. So that's awesome. Thank you so much, NARS, for sending these over. All right, so now for some luxury makeup. We've got the new Yves Saint Laurent YSL. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Okay, so this is the new lip and cheek balmy tint. Multi-use product. I love this stuff. It has hyaluronic acid, orange blossom, shea butter in it. We've got 3 different shades right here. Just absolutely beautiful for different skin tones. I love that. Ugh, I'm going into Pinch because Pinch is like my go-to shade. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't wait. So you can use these for the lips and the cheeks. Ooh, and they're nice. So look at, just blend it right in. Again, an awesome product for the spring and the summertime. Ooh, it has a nice scent to it too. It's the orange blossom that I'm smelling. I smell like a citrus, but I also smell like a floral scent to it. So that's what I'm smelling from it. But this is awesome that you can use these on the lips too. I will probably do that with these other shades right here because I think these will look gorgeous on the lips. I'm gonna try this one right here. It's like a red. Oh yeah. I would just have to apply it very lightly and just really rub it in, and that would work for me. That'd be totally fine. So that is awesome. Very versatile. I love that. Thank you so much, YSL, for sending these over. These are beautiful. I cannot wait to try them out. Oh my God, look at how cute this package is from Benefit. So Benefit blush. I think they didn't they do like a little brand trip with a couple people to help launch this? I think it was like with Laura, I feel like it was Laura Lee and like Manny I saw on it. But this is awesome. Okay, so they've got their brush right here, which I love these for on the go. Oh my God, it's awesome to put in your like clutch bag or your purse, you know, just if you're going out at night, because I always bring a brush with me because I always like to touch up in the bathroom. I'm weird like that. And to have these types of brushes, I had one from Jouer, which I don't even know where it's at anymore, but these are the best kind to travel with and like put in your purse. So anyways, they have blushes galore here. I am so excited. They definitely knew where the market's at right now, which I feel like the market is big time in blushes. All right, so we've got a ton here. So we have like their old classic like Dandelion, which I used back when I was in high school. This one is gorgeous. So pretty. I love it that they changed up the packaging. It's not like the super big square. It's a lot thinner. So this actually makes it a lot easier to store in your vanity, in a drawer, or in your makeup bag for travel. So I love it that they kind of changed that up a little bit. And then we have Shelly. Oh my God, Shelly is so pretty. We have Krista. You guys know I love the fun bright ones. And then we have Butterfly. Beautiful orange. Then we've got Peachin'. Oh, I love this for like a neutral everyday look. We have Sunny. Really pretty apricot shade. And then we have Willa. Definitely one that I would go to for the fall and winter time. And then we have Pom Pom, a little bit deeper. Then we have Moon, deep berry color. Java, a more deeper one. And then we've got Tara, which is, I believe that these are the bronzer. So, I think this one's the bronzer. It's Golden Brick Red. Oh no, it's a Golden Brick Red blush. I think what confused me is I have Hula Light right here. So we've got that, and then Hula Light, which is awesome, great bronzer. So that is awesome. Thank you so much for sending these over. I'm gonna swatch a couple. I'm going to Shelly. I feel like Shelly's gonna be like my ultimate fave. Oh, yes. That's what I love right there, that color. I love these peachy colors. I think they're beautiful. And then we got Peachin', which is a little bit lighter, more of an apricot. The other one is, Shelly is more of a coral. So that is really, really pretty right there. I love that. So that's awesome. Those are beautiful. Thank you, Benefit, for sending those over. It is so exciting to see you guys launch something new. I feel like it's been a while from Benefit, and I'm pumped. I'm excited. I love seeing the blushes because I'm such a blush girl. So I'm gonna go crazy. This is gonna be fun. So thank you. I really appreciate it. And I love it that you guys created a great compact brush to travel with. This is like perfect. So that is everything in this new beauty launches PR unboxing. So much. I felt like this was a good week, you guys. I feel like we've got a little bit of everything. We got some skincare. We got a lot of makeup, which I haven't seen this much makeup come in so long. I don't know about you guys. Comment down below if you agree, because I feel like it's been a while and I am so pumped for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you're most excited about. And go follow me on Madison or Life of Maddie channel. That's where I post a lot more. And Madison Miller on Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.